Hi everyone, question and answer tayo today. Okay, are you dating anyone now? I'm dating my goals and my business for now. Pero my heart is open for the right one. Anong sikreto mo sa glow up mo? Peace of mind and choosing myself. Plus, syempre, may skincare routine. Rose Vega Beauty and Wellness Skincare, okay? Babalik ka pa sa reality TV? If it is the right opportunity and it shows the real me, why not? Right? Why not? I want it. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat to all of my followers. Thank you for being part of my 2025. See you there on 2026, guys. I love you all.